To date, I have had a grand aggregate total in terms of emails, texts, phone calls, carrier pigeons, telegraphs, runner on horseback, of 0 communication related to this. And that's where you come in. We must demand a testing system that serves students and teachers rather than that meager little bean counting, pistol pushing, pseudo-intellectual that is sitting there just totaling data and spewing it out. We must revise the history standards to include a meaningful study of the battles of the American Revolution and the wars who shaped the nation. I know more than one teacher who gets through the American Revolution, the Civil War, and never fire a shot. It's not going to be on the test. Yeah, but isn't it important? How do you teach a war without a shot? They do it. How should we teach these? Not as rote memorization of dead people and dates, but rather as lessons in courage, sacrifice, and resilience. And in fact, at this time, if you are one of our nation's veterans, would you please rise if able? Give them a big hand. I'm trying to get your stories taught. I just need your help. Next action item, we must require mastery of the United States citizenship test. Heaven forbid if Governor Edwards was alive, he would want his name taken off of that. It should be a graduation requirement. Yes, my own son Jackson and Kyle here and Sydney should have taken the citizenship test for mastery before getting American government credit. But it'll lower graduation rates. Well, should we be graduating people who don't understand what it means to be a citizen? We must expand the